Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgeverse. Today we're checking out one of the most advanced robot vacuum and mop systems currently available, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 PRO Omni. If you want powerful cleaning with almost zero manual work, this flagship robot is built to completely transform how you clean your home. The first thing that stands out is the incredible 19,500 pascals blast suction power. That is seriously powerful for a robot vacuum. Whether you have pet hair, dust, crumbs, carpet debris, or dirt hidden deep inside rugs, the X11 Pro Omni pulls it up with ease. It performs especially well on carpets and large homes, where weaker robot vacuums usually struggle. But this isn't just a vacuum, it's also a premium mopping system. ECOVACS added an Instant Self-Cleaning Roller Mop that constantly refreshes itself while cleaning. Instead of dragging dirty water around your floors, the roller stays cleaner during operation, helping reduce streaks and improving hygiene. It's excellent for hardwood floors, tiles, and kitchens where spills happen regularly. One feature many people will love is the auto lift mop system. When the robot detects carpet, the mop automatically lifts itself to avoid soaking your rugs. That means you can vacuum and mop your home in one run without worrying about wet carpets or accidental damage. Another huge upgrade is the Zero-Tangle technology. If you have pets or long hair in your home, you know how annoying tangled brushes can be. The X11 Pro Omni is designed to reduce hair wrapping around the brush system, cutting down maintenance dramatically. The Omni Station is where this robot becomes almost fully autonomous. It automatically empties dust, washes the mop, dries the mop, and helps keep the system clean with minimal effort from you. For busy people, students, professionals, or large families, this saves a huge amount of time every week. ECOVACS also included GaN fast charging technology, which helps recharge the robot faster and more efficiently. That's especially useful for larger homes because the robot can get back to cleaning quicker without long downtime. Navigation is also very smart and precise. The DEEBOT maps your home efficiently, avoids obstacles, and cleans room by room with impressive accuracy. It handles furniture, corners, and everyday obstacles much better than older robot vacuums. Overall, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 Pro Omni feels like a true next-generation cleaning machine. Between the massive suction power, intelligent mopping system, self-cleaning features, and advanced automation, it's designed for people who want premium smart home convenience with powerful real-world performance. If you want a high-end robot vacuum that can truly reduce your daily cleaning workload, this one is definitely worth checking out. By link in the description below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more daily tech reviews here on Gadgeverse.